day to you. Welcome to our channel. Our channel's name is Learning Area. Our Facebook page is at Online Learning NG. Our WhatsApp number is 08137168971. Now, what makes our channel unique? Our channel is unique because in this particular channel, you as a viewer have the opportunity to ask your questions. We see when they give you a question in any course and you find it difficult, you tend to look for your peers or look for a tutor or somebody to put you through. But with this channel now, you actually have an online tutor you can run to put you through in any particular question or in any particular topic you are finding difficult. So what you just need to do is you hit us up on our WhatsApp or on our Facebook page via our Facebook DM or whatever, and give us the question. We'll make a video for you, post it on our YouTube channel, and you can come here to watch it, as well as introduce your friends and your peers to also come and watch and learn. Now, if you have a question on any topic we've treated, you can easily ask us in the comment section and we'll read it out, as well as make a video to explain it for you. So you see, we are making learning easy. You don't have to be running to look for tutor or paying for any tutorials. No, it's free of charge. What you just have to do is you click the subscribe button, so when we post the video, you receive a notification that that particular video has been posted. You come, you settle down, you watch it, you understand it, and you ask questions when necessary. Now, the courses which you cover are any courses that requires calculations, whether it is mathematics, physics, chemistry, whether for the secondary school level or the undergraduate level, or whether we have to deal with engineering courses as well as technology. Any particular course that deals with calculations, just bring it and we'll make a video and solve it and post it on our YouTube channel, where you will be able to watch if you actually subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and you are up and running. If you have any question, like I said, you can hit us up on our WhatsApp or our Facebook page, ask your question, and we'll make a video for you. That is why our channel is unique. So introduce this channel to your friends, post it on your groups, post it on your platforms, as well as other places which you know you'll be able to help one or two people to be able to get calculations easily. Here we'll break down calculations so you'll be able to understand everything fully. So I believe I've explained everything about our channel and told you why the channel is unique. So the rest is in your court. Hit the subscribe button and introduce your friends and your peers to come and learn also that particular topic that you are finding difficult. So thank you very much. We have playlists for different particular topics. So if you have challenge in any topic, you can look for the topic under our playlist. You watch the series of videos on that topic. I believe before you've watched 4 or 5 of the videos, you are good and up and running. So you see why our channel Learning Area is very unique. So I believe with this, you'll be able to introduce your friends and your course mates, as well as those finding difficult in any course, to come and learn. So thank you very much. Enjoy a sweet ride with Learning Area. I remain myself, Godwin Chibuzo Ebidame.